So, as you may have seen these sort of viral skeleton AI videos on YouTube, which are going viral these days, pulling in millions of views and bunch of subscribers. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the best way to create these sort of viral skeleton videos completely for free within 5 minutes and using AI. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to ChatGPT and click on this app icon. Then click on Explore GPTs and here search for skeleton shorts. Now here choose this AI bot and now you can write any topic here. For example, skeleton building muscles. Here you can see ChatGPT is going to give you few prompts for your short. So now just copy your first prompt, go to Gemini and paste this prompt. Now before clicking on enter, go to any skeleton shorts video and take a screenshot. Then upload it to Gemini and then paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT and click on enter. Now here you can see Gemini's Nano Banana has successfully created our first scene. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy your second prompt. Then paste it here and here you go. Gemini has successfully created the second image for your short. Now do this until all of your prompts will be converted into pictures. Now once this is done, here comes step 3, converting these pictures into full-blown videos. So for that, just go to Grok AI and click on this image icon. Then upload your first picture you created from Gemini and also go to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt that you used to create this image. And then paste this prompt into Grok. Now then click on enter. Now here you can see Grok AI has successfully converted our first image into a full-blown video. Now upload your second image, go back to ChatGPT, copy your second prompt, paste it here and click on enter. Now here you can see Grok AI has successfully converted our second image into a full-blown video. Now do these exact steps until all of your pictures will be converted into videos. Now once this is done, here comes step 4, and this is an important step because this step will determine whether you're gonna get monetized or not. YouTube monetizes channels which have a narration or a narrator voice. So now go back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you a voiceover script for this video. Now copy this and go to 11labs.io. Now paste it here and here you can see. 11 Labs has successfully converted our text into a full voiceover. Now download this voiceover and now you can open up any software and adjust these clips according to the narration. Now I'm not going to show you this step because I've shown this step multiple times in my previous videos. And that's it. As you can see, I've created a full-blown skeleton AI short in front of you guys while teaching you how to make these sort of videos. Now, if you want to learn how to create viral insects point of view video, click on this video. Or if you want to learn how to create viral AI bunker videos, click on this video. And be sure to like and subscribe to DeepMind AI. And as always, you're watching DeepMind AI and I'll see you in the next one.